If you guys are looking for a way to tune your fiddle, just punch into the internet, punch into Google how to tune your fiddle, and there's a bunch of apps available. For this next segment, we're going to learn how to use the left hand when playing the fiddle, and we're going to stay on the open A string. So on the open A, the second string from the top, we're going to go then 1, 1. And when you're holding the fiddle, you just want it to rest in between your hand and your thumb. So just like that. So you can put your first finger down, your second finger, and your third finger. So when we're playing, we're going to go first finger, second, third. So that's an A scale. I hope if you guys have some tapes on your fiddles, just put your fingers on the tapes. If not, just use your ear to keep yourself in tune with me. Let's try that A scale. We're going to go motorcycle, motorcycle on each beat and go up the A scale. So just by using those notes, we're going to learn another tune. Have a quick listen to it. So how that's going to go, we're going to go 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. right, let's play it. Let's play it at some speed. Same thing with the footwork. And we're going to keep to the middle of the bow, just a friendly reminder. And we're not using a whole bunch of bow. We're just going to use a tiny bit of bow. So let's play that and play that and play that and feel the groove with it. 2, 3, go.